Creating a workback schedule for a big deadline can seem overwhelming, but with a few simple steps, you can break it down into manageable tasks and make sure you're on track from start to finish. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a workback schedule so you can meet that deadline without stress. Stick around to the end, and I'll share a tool that'll help you stay organized and track your progress. First, the key to creating a workback schedule is understanding your final deadline. That's the anchor. Once you know when the project is due, count back from that date. You'll want to break down the project into smaller tasks, which leads us to the next step, listing everything that needs to be done. This includes every little detail: research, meetings, drafts, revisions, anything that could push the timeline. Next, start estimating how long each task will take. Be realistic, and don't forget to include buffer time for unexpected issues. This is crucial because it ensures you're not caught off guard later on. Once you've done this, start assigning these tasks into days or weeks, depending on how far out the deadline is. This is where a visual aid, like a calendar or a Gantt chart, can really help. At this point, you should have a clear picture of what needs to happen and when. Now, assign these tasks to yourself or your team, keeping priorities in mind. Are there certain tasks that depend on others being finished first? If so, map these out in your schedule to avoid bottlenecks. Now, I know many of you want to know how to make this whole process easier. You've probably tried all the most popular project management software, but in this video, I'm going to recommend software that will help you create and track your workback schedule. The best part? You can get an exclusive free trial for this software just by clicking the link in the description below. This will help you stay organized and on track, so go ahead and check it out. As you start following your schedule, keep an eye on your progress and adjust your timeline as needed. Life happens, and it's important to stay flexible. This is why reviewing your workback schedule weekly or even daily is a good practice to ensure everything is on track. Lastly, one thing to remember is that staying on top of your workback schedule requires consistent follow-through. Don't let tasks pile up last minute. The more you stick to the plan, the easier it'll be to meet that big deadline. Your key takeaway here: creating a workback schedule is all about breaking down the project into manageable tasks, estimating how long each will take, and using a system to track everything. The right software will keep everything organized, and with the exclusive free trial in the description, you can try it for yourself. To quickly recap, start with your final deadline, break the project into smaller tasks, estimate time for each, use a visual tool like a calendar or Gantt chart, and assign tasks while keeping priorities in mind. And don't forget to adjust as you go. And as always, remember to check out the free trial for the software we've been talking about. It's an exclusive offer for viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.